how to screen record any restricted apps. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to screen record restricted apps, then go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for Screenshot Touch. Further, go ahead and download the app and wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, go ahead and launch the app and further go ahead and enable all the permissions that the app asks and allow all the permissions too. Once done, you can then go ahead and simply tap on the screenshot option you see there, or you can also tap on the web page screenshot or Stitch Professional screenshot there and then go ahead and take the screenshot of the restricted app that you are trying to screen record, as this app will allow you to take screen recordings of all the apps. So this is how you can screen record any restricted apps. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.